Hi, I'm Karen and I work in the Psychosex team at 56 Dean Street, and I'm going to talk to you today about feeling out of control with porn. A lot of people feel worried about their porn use, even though we know most men who have sex with men watch it. It can start to feel like a problem for people if porn overtakes the rest of their sex life and feels more satisfying or more exciting than sex in real life. But there can be some really good reasons why people enjoy porn. First, it's a way of choosing exactly the type of sex you want without necessarily having to negotiate that with a sexual partner. Second, if you've been worrying about sex recently, like staying hard or having sober sex, it allows us to have a sexual experience without pressure, where all that matters is our own enjoyment, and that can be really useful. Third, it can allow us to enjoy types of sex that we might fantasize about but not want to do in real life, like bareback, for example. There's nothing wrong with using porn as part of your sex life, and despite the negative press it gets at times, there's actually little scientific evidence to support some of the claims that it can be harmful to your sex life. Actually, a recent study showed us that the more worried we are about our porn use, the more we're inclined to feel we're addicted to it, and that this feeling of addiction is highest in people who have a moral or religious objection to porn. So the first step to feeling more in control of your porn use is believing that it's actually an okay thing to do. There are also lots of good things about porn for your sex life. It gives you an opportunity to figure out what you like, to focus on your own needs, and it can help connect you to your sexual desire. But it can be good to recognise if you're feeling that watching porn is adding to your avoidance of sex in real life, or is because you're feeling too worried about having sex in real life, or if you find you're watching it as a way to boost your mood. Or lastly, if you find that you're getting into habits of watching it so much that it's interfering with your work or friendships. And if you're feeling this way about your porn use, come into the clinic and speak to one of the team. It might be that you could benefit from working out how you feel about it and what function, positive or negative, it's serving for you at the moment.